Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce noise in Premiere Pro. First, navigate to the Essential Sound panel, typically found on the right side of your workspace. Select your audio clip in the timeline, then choose Dialogue as the audio type. Next, simply check the Reduce Noise box under the Repair section. You can then adjust the amount slider, starting with a small value like 5 or 10%, and gradually increasing it until the background noise is minimized without making your voice sound unnatural. 9, 10, 12. For more precise control, head over to the Effects panel and search for the denoise effect. Drag and drop this effect directly onto your audio clip in the timeline. In the Effect Controls panel, you'll find parameters like amount and offset. Experiment with these settings. A good starting point for amount might be around 20 to 30%. The offset can help target specific frequency ranges of the noise, allowing you to fine-tune the reduction for optimal clarity. 157. If your audio suffers from echo or room reverb, the de-reverb effect is your best friend. Just like denoise, locate de-reverb in the Effects panel and apply it to your problematic audio clip. In the Effect Controls, you'll see amount and decay sliders. Begin by setting the amount to around 15 to 25%. The decay parameter helps control how quickly the reverb fades, so adjust it carefully to achieve a natural-sounding result without making your audio sound too dry. 6, 13, 14. When reducing noise, always listen to your audio through good headphones to catch subtle changes. Remember, less is often more. Over-applying noise reduction can introduce unwanted artifacts, making your audio sound robotic or watery. Aim for a natural sound, even if some very faint background noise remains. Once you're satisfied, export your video, ensuring your audio settings are high quality, typically at 48 kHz sample rate, to preserve all your hard work. Happy editing, 4/15/19.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.